in the population, over 1 billion people out of 6.2 billion live in a abject poverty. Projection for 2015 is 9 billion. Children are the first to suffer from poverty and lack of health care, clean water, and advocate food and education. Population growth puts increasing pressure on natural resources including water, food, fuel, raw materials on the Earth's atmosphere. Population growth has been accelerating, creating additional burden upon Earth's capacity to provide a decent living for all. Population growth means that there is a constant pressure on a per capita GDP growth. Migration is a constant factor for change in a population, shifting labor, social transition caused by economic and cultural competition. Migration is caused by what? Economic disorders, thoughts, racial tensions, ethnic cleanance, by desire for economics improvement. Political and religion freedom. Some population are agony while others have creating a youth plug. The former means a burden will be placed on a younger generation to support a meaningful employment and resulting social and political unrest. Efforts by some countries to reduce population growth, China, have increased population agony and reduced prospects for a future growth. Environmental threats. Global warming is one of the largest threats of human welfare today, promising melting ice caps and glaciers, rising sea level, change in a weather pattern, and loss of certain species due to habitat loss. Negative impact of climate change on biology, health, food, and water resources. Deforestation means reduced oxygen and more carbon dioxide, resulting in a more greenhouse gases that bring climate change. Excessive use of carbon-based fuels create carbon dioxide emission that threaten global warming. Growth from globalization itself worsens climate change. Growing population with middle class aspiration, especially cars, led to great emission of carbon dioxide. Excessive use of carbon dioxide destruction reinforced also threat biodiversity with its political to find new cures for human illness. The environment is a global issue that needs global situation to result in a bigger than near behavior and potential social and political tension. Countries arrive late to industrial and economic development, recent and global problem caused by the later. The United States failed to provide leadership in the environment over the past decades. Without its progress on a global environment is unlikely stop global warming, and we can see that the breakups of the South Union's resources wars human rights, and global benefit economics rewards.